channel. Welcome to the another video of my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing safe and sound. Today's video is all about Nykaa Pink Friday Summer Sale, and I have a huge parcel and enough products to share and show with you guys. And to be honest, I have got so many products in a very reasonable prices and very affordable prices. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So these are the boxes, and guys, these are a huge boxes and huge products in it. So let's start one by one. I'm starting with this first box. It has two perfumes. I have got these perfumes in 50% off, and these both are from Engage. The packaging is, guys, see the bottle, this is so nice, you can see, and I literally love this packaging, literally love this look of the perfume. So let's see how it smells. Yeah, it has a very sweet smell. I'm not that fond of very strong smell perfume girl, so मुझे जितने भी perfumes पसंद है वो बहुत mild fragrances वाले पसंद आते हैं. So I'll definitely gonna like this. So let's move on to the another product. The other product is also the perfume from Engage in a different fragrance, different variant. So wow, this is a pink, and I'm a pinky girl. So this is also, the packaging is quite similar to the previous one, but let's see how the fragrance is. Yeah, this is something like, this is not a sweet fragrance, but somewhere like a good one. Let's move on to the another package of this haul, which is this. This has, I guess, the shower gel from Nykaa. Yeah, this has nothing. This is just a single product there in it, which is this Nykaa shower gel. And I guess from the same, I've ordered a body lotion which I've used before, and I just love the fragrance. Like, if I wanted to rate that fragrance of the product, so which is 10 out of 10. And the similar, I have ordered this shower gel. I have not used it before. Once I've used it, I'll definitely gonna share you how it smells and how it is. Otherwise, smell wise, it's good. Like, I don't know about it smells similar like a body lotion or not. Yeah, it's good, nice. So let's move on to the another parcel of this haul, which is this. So this has 4-5 products in it. Let's start first with this. I am not that perfume girl, but I am a very fond of body mist and deos and body mist and roll-ons. So because regular basis पे I usually office में prefer to use this body mist. I already have one from this Bath and Body Works, and I have got this product in 50% discount, guys, which is like a bomb deal. So this is 1,000 wishes. I have a similar one. I don't know the what was the name of that, but from the Bath and Body Works, I've ordered it from Nykaa itself. So it has a beautiful fragrance. Yeah, this has a very mild fragrance and beautiful one to use it on a regular basis for your office or for your college. So let's move on to the other product, other item of this haul, which is this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil. This is a serum, and it has a multiple benefits जो मैंने लेने के पहले read किए थे. But the fragrance of this product is bomb. So I am gonna rate this product 5 out of 5, as this is a very nice. It makes your hairs feel like very soft and gentle. Also the fragrance wise, this is so mild, but it fragrance like heaven. So let's move on to the other item of this haul, which is this Nivea Fresh Natural deodorant. This is a body roll-on. Actually, I'm a very fond of, like, if I'm not using a perfume, still I every day wanted to use this, and it's been like a years I'm using the under roll-ons. So this has a very fresh fragrance. Like I've used so many brands, like Nivea's में there were many variants I've used, and from Yardley also I've used, but this has the best ever fragrance, guys. I'll bet you, because I've used this before, so this time in sale I was getting in a very reasonable price, so I've ordered it. Let's move on to the another product. Yeah, this is also a Nivea body roll-on, and this is a free product from Nykaa. I've got this in free. So let's move on to the last item of this package, which is this Swiss Beauty Hydra Eye Serum patches. These are the patches like which you can use on your under eyes, like while doing a makeup, or like for any skincare routine you can use this. It will hydrate your under eyes. I have never used any patches under my eyes ever, so I wanted to give it a try. That's why I just ordered this and I got. So the time is like, it has our last package, and this package has all the makeup products, like 99% of the makeup products in it. Yeah, 99% of the makeup products are there in this parcel. So we're gonna share one by one what all I have ordered. So let's start with these two body lotions, and then we'll move to all the makeup products I have ordered, because apart from this everything is makeup. So this is from, these both are from Nykaa. This is a Moe, and the other one is Hidden Blush, actually Love Struck Hidden Blush. Exactly the same. I've ordered that shower gel which I just showed to you. So this has a fragrance like a heaven. You can definitely give it a try. I just love the fragrance of this body lotion, and wanted to give a try to other one. That's why I've ordered this Moe one. So the fragrance wise, this is, let's see how the fragrance is. Yeah, fragrance wise, fragrance is nice. Yeah, fragrance is pretty well, but out of these both, this is the best ever body lotion I have used. A very hydrating, very nice in fragrance and everything. This is 10 out of 5. I will highly recommend this to buy, because of its fragrance and hydration it provides you to a body. And we're gonna use this, and we'll definitely gonna review. Let's start with the makeup products I have ordered in Pink Friday summer sale. Starting maximum of the products I've ordered from Lakme brand. So this is the first, which is a glow primer. It has shimmer actually in it. Also it works like a primer as well. So I'll show you. See the shine. It's a very hydrating and a beautiful shine in it. So I have other primer as well, which is a mini primer. So this is also from Lakme. Maximum makeup is there from Lakme. I guess 100% makeup is there from Lakme. Yeah, so this is a mini primer. इसके पहले मैंने इसका फुल साइज ऑर्डर किया था और मैंने यूज भी किया है. This is a blurry primer. You can see the texture. You can see that it immediately blurs your pores. If you feel oil on your face, so it will give you that matte finish look on your face, and will help you to settle your foundation properly, because primer is the base and it is very important to use before foundation, before starting your makeup. So these are the two primers I've ordered. Let's move on to the other item, which is this foundation. This is in a shade of warm cream, W120. This is a matte foundation, and It's very liquidy, but when you apply it on your face, it will give you that matte finish. You can see the shade. So let's move on to the other item, which is this Lakme 925 Fashionista Collection Power Play Priming Powder Foundation. Actually, it has 3 in it. Like it has a primer, foundation, and compact. This is my third time purchase. This product I'm purchasing third time. I have already finished 2 before. I guess the packaging has changed. This is how it looks. This is how the shade is, and the packaging is very nice. And this product I'm gonna rate 10 out of 5 because ये मेरा third time purchase है. So you can definitely understand how much I like this product if I'm repurchasing it. So don't just give it a try. You will definitely gonna like this product. It's very lightweight, but it feels very subtle on your face and sets your makeup so nice. So let's move on to the other item, which is this mousse blush. I think this is a new launch in Lakme, the mousse blush. It is in pink. As I told you, मुझे pink चीज़ें ज़्यादा पसंद है. So shade wise, it's very light, not that very vibrant, because I like to use a very subtle and light shades when it comes to a makeup as well. So as you can see, I've just applied on my face. ये मैंने use किया है and it is really nice. I'll show you the swatch. You can see the color. This is so beautiful color and very lightweight. It feels like nothing on your face, like very nice. So let's move on to the other item of this haul, which is this concealer. The concealer is in the shade nude. If you wanted a nude shade, like to set your under eyes before highlighting it, so you can definitely try this product. It is not that dark and not that it's like matches to my shade. Let's move on to the other products. Like I have these 2 lipsticks from Lakme. The shade are shade का नाम ही नहीं याद. This is a coral shade. It's a very vibrant and a coral shade. I have never ever used any vibrant coral shade on my lips, so I wanted to give it a try, and I was getting in a very reasonable price, so that's why I've ordered it. I'm gonna give it a try and then definitely gonna tell you that how it feels. But till that time, I just can show you the swatch, which is, you can see, this is how the shade is. It's something like you wanted to apply vibrant on your lips, so you can definitely go ahead with this. And the other lip shade I'm having from Lakme is this nude. This is a very pretty nude shade. You can use a lip liner with it and you can apply it, and you will definitely gonna feel a very nice, because इसके पहले भी मैंने same shade use किया है, that's why I've restocked it. You can see the shade. This is how the shade is. Very nice and very pretty. As you can see, very nice. So that's it for today's video, guys. These are the all products I've got from Nykaa in Pink Friday Summer Sale. Hope you like this video so far. Thank you. Bye bye.